YouTube. I'm gonna teach this still corners. It's called White Sands. White Sands is the desert in New Mexico. I believe it's where they tested nuclear bombs. And I believe it's also maybe close to where they say that aliens landed. So anyways, this song is called White Sands. Just got 4 chords. First one is D minor, which you can play in the open position. A minor, you can play in the open position. I think they're playing it up here in the song, but it sounds fine. Then E minor. I think they're playing it up here at the 7th fret. And the final chord in the sequence is G. And what they're doing in the song, I think they're playing it here. D minor. A minor. First they go to G down here, G major. That's the only major chord in the sequence. Then they go and get G up here at the 10th fret, 10th and 12th. He's playing, I think, the guitar licks in the song are being done in the A minor pentatonic. And I think some of them are being played in this A minor extension box. A lot of them, I think, are being played here. This is at the 8th fret. Okay, that sounds like that Paul McCartney lick. Okay, that's just sliding double step. 8, 10, 5. Then this just kind of goes along with the chords. 10, 8, 8, 3. So, because this is, you're going C to D, 8 to 10. This at the 5th fret, you're playing A minor. Back to C. Okay, and then this is on the G at the 3rd fret. Okay, and then even though C is not chord played in the song, it's in the harmonic structure of the song. Whenever you see A minor, you should also think C major. That's the melody, it's right in the A minor. Okay, thanks for watching Still Corners, White Sands.